Thomas, the tank engine is a lie. We all thought Thomas the Tank Engine was just a happy train, right? Just a smiling train. Well, no. Why do we think that? We need to think about this kind of thing, right? Like, the faces aren't natural. They're natural. Why? Why do we think it's natural? I mean, I've got an answer for this. Mutation. Mutation. Yep, that's what I'm saying. That's what I think. Yep. What if, by chance, the people became machines, trains, with faces? It could happen. Like, seriously, how many humans do you see in this show? Really, I've never seen this show. Like, just, I know there's like one fat guy, and he's just a douche, right? I mean, look at that face. That's a douchebag face if I've ever seen one. You know. So what could be radiation-y enough to make the train people to trains become trains? Like, could it be the tracks? Could it be the sky? Could it be the trains? Oh, I got it. Like, people who like trains spend so much time around the trains that they became the trains. God, that sounds good. That's a good story. Maybe. I don't have a lot of evidence. No. I mean, I can't even be bothered to watch the show. But I swear, those trains have too much personality, man. Their eyeballs. Like, what if you, by theory, like, stabbed them? Like, would it bleed? Or would it just leak oil? Or would it just sound like metal? I don't. You know what? Maybe I'm getting a little hasty. You know, I'm thinking mutations? There's 100,000 billion different ways they could get faces. Maybe someone just spray painted them on. No, there's no humans that do that. They would just spray paint the trains, the faces. But so maybe the rituals, dark rituals. Maybe. Oh my God, maybe they like put someone on the tracks, like old style villain rope victim tracks, and the train comes, kills them, they become a train. What? Why? That sounds great. That's amazing. Oh my God! If the story was that, I would watch Thomas the Tank Engine, man. That would be the best show. Well, that was a theory. Good theories. I like talking about theories like this. They give me time to think, time to air my head. No more tank engine, Thomas. He scares me now. Like, I don't want to become a train. No more. No.